Alright, now I'm going to show you how to do number 11 on your Chapter 2 closure packet. It says evaluate the expressions below for the given values. So here's our expression, and it's telling us x equals -2. That just means I'm going to plug -2 in wherever there's an x. So here is going to be -2, and here is going to be -2 because there are x's in both of those places. So -3 parenthesis -2 squared plus 4 parenthesis -2 plus 5, and we just want to make sure we get this correct when we put this into our calculator. -3 parenthesis -2 squared plus 4 parenthesis -2 plus 5, and the answer is -15. Letter B, we're going to plug -8 wherever there's a k, so we're going to put it right there. So we have -4 divided by -8 plus 7. Now on this one we're going to want to figure out what is -8 plus 7. -8 plus 7 is -1, and that's on the bottom. -4 is on the top. Negative divided by negative is a positive. 4 divided by 1 is 4, so 4 is your answer. Last one. If f of x equals -3 divided by x plus 6, what value of x would be excluded from the domain? The domain is the x values. So it's asking us what x does not work when we plug it into the bottom. So we want to know what number are we going to plug in for x that is not going to give us an answer. And the only time that we do not get an answer is if there is a 0 on the bottom of the fraction. So what number are we going to plug in this empty space, which is our x value, that when we add 6 to it, we get 0? So the answer would be -6. So x cannot be, we use a not equal, -6, because it says explain how, or how do you know? Because -6 plus 6 equals 0, and we can't have 0 in the bottom of a fraction. So the value -6 is going to be excluded from our domain. That's what we would say.